Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I install this M.2 Nvme SSD in my motherboard. My board is C590. I made this video for those who are first time installing M.2 SSD, and I hope that you will be able to get ideas in this video. But before everything, I would like to ask you to click the like and subscribe button. So it is very important every time if you are first time installing things in your PC, you should check your manual, especially if it is about your motherboard. So I'm going to check here the slot that I'm going to install because this is only Gen 3. So I will just going to put it in the Gen 3 slot. I'm not gonna use the M4 socket or Gen 4 socket since it will be useless, and I will just going to reserve it when I buy Gen 4 M.2 Nvme storage. It's actually 256 gig only, dedicated for OS only. For cloning of SSD or your storage, I will not be doing this in this video, but I will just gonna share the link that I made in my previous video and how to clone your drive. If you don't have this motherboard manual, since you buy your motherboard for second hand, you can just check the details in the website of your manufacturer. Now we are already removing the heatsink in our motherboard where we're going to install this storage. So this is the slot, and if you check your motherboard, it has a bolt or screw for this M.2 SSD slot. And I have here now the M.2 SSD. So the size is in the third screw. You just have to press it here and install the bolt. Then after that, you will install the heatsink. Just remove the tape or the plastic. So that's all. That's how you install M.2 SSD in your motherboard. I have the separate video on how you clone your storage so that you can use it, and especially if you want to transfer your files or your OS to your new SSD. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something in this video. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.